Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Mardi Gras. This particular category is a Carnival Excel Presidential Suite. It's the top suite on the ship. You're at the very top front corner of the ship. Incredible views. We'll take you out there in just a minute, but let me show you what the suite's all about. Now, of course, you get all of the different suite amenities, access to Loft 19, the exclusive suite area. You're gonna have priority reservations for everything here on board and quite a few other amenities. You can see those down below in the description. Now, in the living room itself, it can double as a bedroom space. So you're gonna have your first set of storage. You've got your closets right here, motion activated lights. You have hanging storage all up and down, and then you can customize it as you like with the shelves, basically putting them up and down as you prefer. Now, just through the door here is a half bath that connects to the rest of the bathroom. I'm gonna take you through there in just a minute, but I wanted to point it out. Now we're in the massive living room space. You've got a full dining room area here. You've got 4 chairs and a table. Of course, you can take advantage of that fantastic in-room dining menu. You're gonna have storage underneath here, full butler's pantry, 2 US plugs and 4 USB plugs, storage up and down, and you also have a mini fridge. Now, as we head into the rest of the living room space, this is where it can double as a sleeping area. The couch will pull out. You've got a very comfortable couch here, nice long chaise lounger. I'm a big guy, I love that even I fit right there. You've got storage on either side, especially to use if you use this as a bedroom. Directly across, you're gonna find the first of the large flat panel TVs here. It is interactive, you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television. Now, I mentioned the bed. You also have a Pullman bed up in the ceiling here that will come down for additional sleeping space. Now, as we head into the bedroom, I wanted to point out one of my favorite features. It's a door. I travel with my family all the time. I love them dearly. Having that extra level of separation and privacy is such a benefit. You've got a nice large king size bed, pillow top mattress, upgraded linens. On both sides of the bed, you're gonna have storage. The drawers do pull out. You also have reading lights. And I really appreciate that on the reading lights, there's USB plugs so you can charge on either side. Now, directly across, you're gonna have a large flat panel TV, a second one. Once again, when traveling with the family, that is such a benefit. You've got a reading chair tucked here in the corner. You also have a writing desk that doubles as a vanity. It is backlit, so you can sit here and get ready. More storage up and down, and they have a ton of plugs because this is a brand new modern ship. You've got 3 US plugs and 4 USB chargers right there as well. Now let me take you back to the storage space. So your closet is all the way along here. You're gonna see that this opens up. Similar to the other one, you have shelves that are customizable. You've got hanging storage all the way down. You have your safe, big enough for like a Google Chromebook or a small laptop, personal items, passports, wallets, things like that. You also have these drawers, really, really nice touch. Those pull out, just another level of convenience. And then all the drawers along the bottom, they're gonna slide out here as well too, perfect for storage of shoes or other small items. Now, across from the closet, you're gonna have even more storage. There's some pretty deep shelves right up and down here, more drawers, and you've got a floor to ceiling mirror, so you can check yourself out as you get ready in the evening to head out and have an incredible meal. You've got climate control right there. I love that there's dual climate controls, different in the living room space than in here. Now let's head into the bathroom. Now, as we head in, there is a sliding pocket door right here, just to point out. You have a really large shower. I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6". You got a full rainforest shower head up above. You've got that car wash shower, Swiss shower configuration with all the extra jets. And you also have a shower wand. Now, as I step through the rest of the space, you're gonna have a double vanity. There's one on either side. They're identical. You've got a magnifying mirror. You've got storage underneath, storage up and down. You're also gonna have plugs up there to plug in a razor. You're also gonna be able to take advantage of those Elemis upgraded bath amenities throughout your stay here on board. Now, this unique feature is a sliding door here, and I pointed out when we were in the living room where the other entrance was. So I love that you can section off the half bath. You can utilize that for whoever's staying in the living room. You have guests come over and visit. You got that extra level of separation. And in here, there's also a single vanity. You have another magnifying mirror as well, and extra storage underneath. Now, one of the main reasons to get this particular suite is the incredible outdoor space. So we're right in front of the living room area right here. Over in the corner, you've got a love seat, you've got a chair and a rocker. So if you have friends on board, family, maybe you're having a family reunion, this is such an incredible gathering space, both inside and out. Now I'm looking directly out the front of the ship. This is the exact same views that the captain gets. And as we walk over to the side, now we're over the wing of the bridge. You've got a large dining table here with 4 chairs ready to go for you to have an incredible meal out here, al fresco, and enjoy the entire cruise experience. To me, being outside is so much about being on a cruise, and you very seldom get anywhere near this amount of private outdoor space. You've got 2 large loungers right here. You've got another reading chair with an ottoman tucked in the corner, looking out the corner of the ship, a huge daybed over here to the side, and yet another reading chair here with the ottoman. They also have these really cool light features, so in the evening it looks stunning. Now tucked over in the corner, you're gonna find a jacuzzi soaking tub. So it's big enough for 2 people. I can imagine my daughter, my niece and nephew really enjoying it, or maybe they're at the kids club. You can sit in here and enjoy a really nice, peaceful, relaxing time and look out at the incredible views. So this entire wall is glass, and all the way around, wrapped around, is glass as well. Extra safety feature when traveling with the littlest cruisers. Now, one final feature I wanted to point out here, you've got kind of an ice chest where you can fill this with ice, have some sodas, maybe a bottle of champagne as well. But what this suite is about is it's about the incredible amount of space and the fantastic views. Once again, if you're hosting people on board, even if you're just traveling with 2 people or a family, it is the perfect match for so many travelers. Now, when you're ready to book this incredible suite or any cruise, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your cruise experts. We know the spaces inside and out, and we have an amazing relationship with the cruise lines. We know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value.